Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to explain to you the new app. Oh, it's not a new app, but it's an app that's called Yammer, which is actually a social media just like Facebook, but it's for the organization or for the tenant. So we will go to the 9 dots and we will look for Yammer, this icon. And actually, Yammer is a place where you can collaborate and share information. And actually what you can do is you can create communities which are like groups, and you could add people to the groups and you can have discussions, questions, you can praise and make a poll. So let's create a new community, give it a name, let's call it HR team, HR. We need to give a description, just call it HR, and we can add now or we could add later. So I'll add Alex, and there's some settings which we can choose. If we want it to be public, that means the whole company will have access, or private, only members that you invite or request and you can approve. Let's keep it private. Okay, now we have actually the group, and because I created, I have actually the star that says I'm the administration. I could add more people. Actually here I can change the picture. So let's go add the picture. And we could also upload a logo if we don't like what we have. So the logo will be uploaded. Let's look for something different. Here we go. And actually now on the right hand side we could add some descriptions. So we could add here, just like we did, some description, and we can say that the posting permissions can be open or restricted, and we can say what will be the default. Will it be a discussion or question? Let's just save it. Here in the information we could add more information actually about what we want to do. So we could say this is more info. We could add a hyperlink. Let's go back, and actually we can pin, we could if I click here we can add a link. So let's take this link, and I could put the URL and put the description. Let's just call it link 1, and you can have a list of links, favorites. When you create a Yammer, it also creates a Microsoft 365 group. So you have a SharePoint site and you have links to the library if you upload some documents, even a OneNote and Planner. Just so we see that it's there. You see the creation of this community creates HR Planner. We have the OneNote. Let's go to the document library. You see we have it, and we could go back, and also the site. In addition, you see you can schedule a live event. What else can we do? So actually we have the conversation. Here is some information about some statistics. Here are the files if you want to upload or during a post. See, it actually gives the interface, and here is for the event. So we're now in a conversation, and we can start the discussion. So let's say hello, and what I can do is I can tag some people. So let's tag Alex, and what we could do is use all of this information. Something special that we can use is actually these topics. So actually I can use a topic that exists. You see I typed share, and because I created before this topic, then I can take it. It needs the exact name. So if I type Microsoft, you see it finds that. But if I want to create a new topic, let's call it jobs. So it says it doesn't exist. Do you want to create it? Yes, I'll create it. Just give a jobs. And actually next time that we will use this, it should find it. Okay, so I'll just post it, and now other people can give a like, or they can comment. I can even upload a file or a picture. So let's say I upload this document and write something, and I will post it. Now this document actually will be stored here. So well, in a second it should be going there, and then you can get to that. Now second possibility is actually to use a question. It gives some kind of like you see this color that mentions that it's a question. So we could ask, how are you today? And we could add some people, and we can also if we click here, it makes it like an announcement. We can see that. So let's just ask that, and then some people can answer. The praise is actually a place where you can give someone some praising. So let's praise Ligu, and actually we could choose the icon that we want. Say well done, and now we have pasted it. The poll is actually like a survey. What color do you like? Red, yellow, and blue. And if I ask that, then later on I can vote. What else can we do actually? So you see, we can make this community actually as a favorite. So if I click this heart, you see it will add it to the favorites here, and we can also mark here and make it official community. So you see, this is the mark that says it's official, so we don't have any fake things. In order to see all of the communities, we can click here in the communities. It will give some recommendations, and we can see all of them. Now I will enter this as a different user. I will try to go to this HR. So I'm another user called Ligu, and I will go to the Yammer, and let's see what he sees. Just a second, we're nearly there. I'll do X, and if we go to here, so first of all, you see he got a message, Ami added you to the conversation. Second of all, if we go to all communities, we see that it's pending this request to this group, and I can request to join the HR group. Now it's pending. So if I go to the other user, which is the manager, first of all, he'll get a notification that says Ligu is requesting. In addition, if I go into the group, I should see here a request for joining. Let's see here, review the member request, and then we can accept or decline. The third option is actually if we go to the mail, then the administrator or the owner will get a mail that Ligu is asking, and we can actually approve or reject. So you see there's two requests. They're both now been approved. And now let's see what Ligu sees. So Ligu is now gets a notification that he has been added to both groups. So he can join, and now he can collaborate and do all of the things he likes. He can also set it as a favorite, and now it's possible also to send private messages. So let's choose inbox and private message, and we will say hello sir, and we could choose who we want to send it. Let's send it to Army Diamond, and let's add a picture. Oh, we can add a GIF. And now Army Diamond will actually get, you see, I got in my inbox something, and I can see the message, and I could do whatever I want. So actually you could have a community which is private. You can make a community which is the whole company, and there's also a one group which is all of the company. So if I just go here and say I want to start a conversation, hello again, so I need to choose a community. So I could choose one of the communities that are here, or for the whole company, and then I can post it. So this is a short overview actually of the things in Yammer. If you want to see more settings, we can go to the settings here, and we can edit the settings, and we could see which notifications we want. So for instance, when do we want to get notifications, for which groups, all of these possibilities. If you don't want to get all of them, you can uncheck that, and that's more or less what it is. So Yammer is a great tool for social media, and try it out. See you and have a good day. Bye bye.